waterfront Malta area. At my backside is the anchorage of the Island Princess Cruise Ship, International Cruise Ship, Worldwide Cruise Ship. So dito po sila ngayon sa Malta, Lucita. Anong maganda, marami ko nakilala dyan sa loob kahapon. There are also Filipinos, lot of Filipinos working in the cabin, working in the hospitality, working in the tourism area, the kitchen, and the security. So, basta Pilipino, kahit saan sa mundo, andun sila. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapunta ng waterfront, Balita, this is the place where you can see the Hard Rock Cafe, the Starbucks, Cuba, everything, the restaurants, and all the dining and the music lounge area. So, what's up? Sa mga European countries na may mga OFW, na kapwa Pilipino, kapwa kapatiran, do it, get it, consider one of your adventure. The waterfront, Balita, seafront area. So, ito mga yachts na ito, speedboat and yachts, ito po mga parintahan, gusto pumasyal, you make a booking for the Balita waterfront tourism area. So, as I observe, this is already 3 days anchorage of the Island Princess. At dalawa ito kahapon o nung Biyernes, dalawa sila, yung malaki. May isa pa itong malaki na umalis na. Malaki yun, no? So ito yung pangalawa, Island Princess. Also the Royal Caribbean will come here. So sa gusto pong mga OFW sa Malta na gusto pumasyal by cruise ship, I recommend you, meron tayong Hamilton, the Hamilton Agency. So the Hamilton Tourism Agency, sila po nag-facilitate ng mayroon silang promo dati na for 500 euro for a 5 days tour inside Europe. So Europe to Europe to. So di pa huli ang lahat. Tanong-tanong lang tayo sa Hamilton Agency sa tourism or the ropes, iba pang mga agency dito sa Malta na papalis ng mga bisita papuntang island tour of Europe. Bye bye. See you soon on my other vlog. This is your brother Salvo. Thank you very much.